Hey guys, I wanted to show you a real quick trick. If you've ever tried to cut out some really nice letters and names in these brushed or script fonts, and then when you cut them out, they just come out in pieces. So every letter is separated. There is a really quick fix for this, and there's actually two ways to get to that fix. So the first way to get to that fix is to click on the name that you've just typed out and go up here to your font little menu portion of the top menu here and click Weld. So let me show you what that does. When I do that, it actually connects all of these pieces for us, right? So now this C and H is connected. When I take that off, you can see where the overlap is. So they're actually not connected, they're just overlapping. So when we're running a brush script or any kind of a script type font or fancy type font where you want all the letters connected, you want to make sure this Weld button is done. So the other way to do this, if you're going in here and kind of adjusting some of these, let's say we go to convert to path. Let's try this one more time, convert to path. And you've got it here, and maybe you want it to connect, but you want it a little bit closer. Or you want to connect this I dot to the I so that we don't lose it when cutting out. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually make them overlap here. And then we're just going to select everything, and we're going to go down to our Weld tool, this little guy right here, and we're going to do the same thing. It essentially does the same thing, but it allows you to move some of those pieces after you've converted them to paths. So now I've got, again, one piece that I can move and cut out, and I won't lose this part of the eye. Hopefully that helps somebody today. I look forward to seeing you all soon in the future. Don't hesitate to shoot me messages and send me questions. I'm here to help. Happy light burning, guys.